Hello guys, you are welcome to this wonderful tutorial. This is Emma from Amovate, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to access the different meetings from the TBC KCBO or from the TBC dashboard. Actually, I'm going to be going right the way to my menu. From menu I'm going to select Crumbs. From Crumbs you are welcome to this wonderful beautiful dashboard presentation, and let me just go to the dashboard, and the dashboard is showing very beautiful. And here guys, you can see the admin's balance, and every single day that goes by, guy, believe me, this balance is reducing every single day because of the different activities the active members in the TVC communities are carrying out, and there are wonderful ways of carrying out activities to get benefit or to be a beneficial from these wonderful TBC coins. So every day they are flowing into different people's wallet around the globe, so everyone can benefit from this advantage. And if you're watching me right now, it's an opportunity for me to call you on board to be also an active member, that you may be able to profit from this wonderful privilege that has been granted to humanity. And actually, I'm just going to be showing you here. You can see they say you are in position number 747 of, these are the numbers of people in the rotator. And here they say, congratulations, you have made the requirement to remain on the mass adoption team for July. That's because of what I've made my monthly maintenance fee is active, actually, guys. And here, this is a beautiful part of it. Again, I'm just going to be showing you around the core team. The core team is a wonderful privilege. Anyone wouldn't like to miss it in the world if he or she knows what it is all about. And I'm going to, as you can see here, it says, congratulations, you have met the requirement to remain on the core team by continuing to pay for your KCBO with crypto. It means I pay actually my account with cryptocurrency. Actually, I did that with Bitcoin, and this is going, it's just so powerful because it's every single day, every single month is giving us different gifts of varieties like we can't even talk about. As you see here, these are meetings with the great leaders and all the rest. So you see, this month's promotion actually is here, guys. We were receiving 1000 TBC coins directly to our wallet as being members of the core team. So you can see this wonderful presentation. Actually, that is not what I'm here. As I said earlier before, I'm gonna be showing you how to access the different meetings from the TBC KCBO or dashboard. And right away, let's move in, guys. You go to the menu first. Once you select your menu, you're going to be seeing here meetings, and you see meetings with this arrow pointing down, guys. It simply means it's on roll. You need to be on roll. Click on that. As you click on it, you are seeing now the beautiful meetings from different languages. You can see the mass adoption training meeting, which takes place from Monday to Friday. As you can see, let's go in and see what it is all about, guys. We come in, you are going to see this meeting, and it's taking place from Monday to Friday, and that is always at 4 p.m. West Central African time. And this is so powerful for everyone. So the other thing you need to do to access this meeting, guys, once the meeting time arrives, depending on your time zone, just come here where you see this link here, https://zoom us, and this is the code. Just copy this link as I'm doing right now. Once you copy this link, you may either with a single tap, if you are using your mobile phone, just tap the zoom icon you see here to get direct access to the Zoom meeting, or you copy it here up as I've just done it, and you go onto your tab. No, just open again to your tab, and where you just go here, open a new tab, just go to new tab. As you open a new tab, copy paste here. As you copy paste here, paste here. As you paste, you see the link to the Zoom is there, directly open, so you can get that access. We can do that now, guys, simply because we don't have direct access to the Zoom meeting now. The time's already passed. If you need a try, let's do a try. You see, if I go like this, you see it's requesting for me to launch a meeting or to download the application. So if you go in this process, directly go. If you don't want to download the application, come here where you see launch meeting. Once you go on launch meeting, guys, it's going to open directly, as you can see here. So it's going to be loading. Why? Because this meeting, actually the time was expired. It's showing us that it was on Friday, July 9 on at 7 p.m. So this is because I'm in the Asian country. So in West Africa it's actually 4 p.m. but in Asian country that's showing me 7 p.m. So we can see this meeting can't go on now because of that. So I leave the meeting now. I get out. Same thing goes for other meetings, guys. Like, you know, same thing goes for all other meetings. Like when you come to the dashboard, from your dashboard, what you're going to do is go back to the meetings, select it. Again, you go to meetings. Any of the meetings you choose, as you have just seen me doing for the other one, you can do it for any of these meetings depending on your language. Be it you're from India, you are from Bangladesh, you are from America, wherever you find yourself, it's going to be easy for you to get an access to these, so that's wonderful. That's so beautiful. And I think someone is understanding how it works, because many people at times are always asking us, how can I do to access the Zoom meeting on my own? It's very quite pretty simple, guys. Quite pretty simple. Just need to do what I've just shown you now, and that is it to go. And you see, this is dashboard. I go to menu here. This is the menu. Go to menu. I come to meetings. I choose any of my choice. Once I click, just like example Cambodia, I just take Cambodia meeting. As I take Cambodia meeting, this is actually how it's going to be looking like, guys. That time on Mondays, this is the date. You see, it's showing here. The link will be available at 5:45 a.m. PDT, and that is actually because of the meeting has expired. So when this day comes, when the time on the day comes, the meeting is going to be available. That's going to be on the 17th, so that's all how it is going to be, Monday the 17th. So this is how it is, guys. And for a plus point, I want to show you this. For a plus, if you don't have these directives or you don't understand all what I'm doing here so far, guys, let me show you what you're going to be doing next, so that you can easily have the access to this wonderful platform. So you get to come once you open your KCBO or your dashboard, you're going to be having this beautiful presentation. And once you are here, I wanted to take note of something. Here. Take note of something. Just so wonderful. That is it to go. Just a word. Just a minute. Just a minute. Because this is something I just want us to understand, that anytime, any moment you arrive here at the TBC, you can always get an assistant. So guys, just come, when you look right down here at the bottom of your menu, so you just go down here, you can see what the written here, new members training live now, and you see what the right member helping training meeting live now. So you can just come and select any of these ones, and let me just give you a try. You see, just select any of this one. You are going to receive physical, face-to-face human being, eyeball to eyeball, communicative human being to talk without, so you can ask them for any question. For the new members, if you are just new in the TBC community and you don't know how to work yourself out, then just attend the new members training meeting, and they are going to be able to work you out. And also for helping decks, if you have any problem or any issue with your KCBO or your TBC account, you are just simply going to be coming here to click here, and a member is going to be awaiting you at the other side to respond to your problems and give you a solution to that, guy. That's the beautiful part about this community, always caring for one another and making sure everybody doesn't go desperate or out of the track, and we are always making sure to maintain everybody on the track. So that is so beautiful. So as I said, let me just say new members meeting. If I go to new members meeting, as you see, once the meeting is selected, you can just see this out. Once it is selected, select the new members meeting. Once you select it, it's going to be opening like this. So directly, you see here, it's taking me direct the Zoom meeting. As you can see, I'm awaiting. So you're going to get somebody attending to you in some few seconds. You see, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. And that's all about it. And this you can see here is the name of the person hosting the meeting. No, this is Mr. Prosper. See, it's here, salle de réunion personnelle. So salle de réunion personnelle, this is for a personal meeting, and that is it all about. I just want to say thank you for your time and attention on this tutorial. Once again, that was Emma helping you to be able to work yourself in your KCBO by how to access the daily meetings or the your daily meetings from your KCBO or the dashboard. Thank you very much for this wonderful for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. That is all about for today, and you are going to be watching out for what is coming up next. Thank you. Shalom.